Hello guys, welcome back to Kids YouTube channel. In this video you'll be learning how to make this beautiful two-color maxi abaya. This abaya is very beautiful and very easy to make. So if this is something you really want to learn how to make, do ensure to watch this video till the end. So guys, let's get started. All you need for this tutorial is just 1.5 yards of each of the colors you want to use. So here I have burnt orange and the other color is like powder pink. So I folded each of the fabric into two folds as seen each of the 1.5 yards. So the center, this point where my hand is the center front for each of them. So I measured 8 inches for the shoulder measurement. And then for the neck width, I measured 4 inches at first. Then I added half inches, making it 4.5 inches for the neck width. So this is because of the stitch we'll be making at the center front and the center back to join each of this fabric. So for the neck depth, I measured 3.5 inches and connected it. If this is your first time here, do remember to hit the subscribe button and check back quickly for new content. So at the side of the gown there, I measured 1.5 inches for the shoulder slope and connected it to the shoulder measurement, which is the 8 inches I measured earlier. So this is what we have after doing that. Then at the down part of the gown, I measured 17 inches for the gown width. Remember, the fabric is on fold. So on this side here, I measured 8 inches for the armhole. That is the armhole depth. And if you take note, I placed the tape at the point 1 inches I measured earlier for the shoulder slope. So remember, this side is on fold, so before I connect the armhole measurement to the gown width, I had to cut it out. And I stop at the point 8 inches. Please take note of this, because what we'll be cutting out at the side of the gown is what you'll be using for the gown, for the sleeve band. So ensure not to cut it out all the way down. So I connected the measurements and cut. So guys, this is what we have after cutting. Our gown is almost ready. This is the front. You can't even decide which one is the front or back because each side have one of each of the colors. So this is exactly how the front will be, while the back will also have something like this. So the fabric we cut out from the side of the gown, which is the pieces, I folded it into two folds and I measured 5.5 inches for the width. But then, just to show you guys how I arrive at the sleeve measurements or the amount of fabric I'll be attaching for the sleeve, I ensure to note the 0.8 inches for the shoulder measurement and place the tape at 0.23 inches for the sleeve measurement. So I have 4.5 inches to add to it, or 5.5 depending on how long you want it to be, but then I'll be adding 5.5 inches to it based on the sleeve measurement I'm working with. So the width of this band, remember the length of the sleeve, which is this band, is 5.5 inches, while the width, I made it 6 inches. So I repeated the same thing for the other sleeve as well. And yes, that is how we arrive at the beauty we made. So all you need to do when you want to sew your gown is for you to get the cover buttons and you are good to go. And this is the beauty we made. So I really don't know how to make cover, but neither do I have the machine, so I had to outsource. And this is what we have. If you check the neck very well, you would notice that on each side I ensure to turn the neck with the matching fabric, and the same thing with the down part as well. You see the burnt orange side, I use burnt orange thread, while the other side, which is like powder pink, I use the matching thread as well. When you are working with this type of fabric, or this type of style rather, that has two color of fabric, it is very good for you to ensure to use a matching thread for each point, just to make your work neat and look perfect. If this is your first time here, do remember to subscribe to the channel and do check back every Saturday for new content. Here we teach you how to make your modest wears via our DIY tutorial, which are very well detailed and self-explanatory. And if you want to learn more from us, this is a flyer to our online class. You can send us a message for inquiries, and as well, just to make it easy for you to register, you can check the link in the description box. The link to make payments for your classes is there. And these are some of our products. Do ensure to shop from us. We deliver within and outside Nigeria. Thank you for watching. Bye.